Friday's morning work. Our first problem again is adding. So we see that we have 12.983 and we're adding 90 to it. 90 is a whole number and it doesn't have a decimal, so we're just going to add decimal zeros at the end of it. And you're going to follow your addition steps. 3 plus 0, 8 plus 0, 9 plus 0, and continue on. The next one, write in expanded form. We take the first number we see, which is 1. 1 times, what place is 1 in? It is in the ones place. So 1 times 1. Plus, take your next number. Our next number is 7. Bring our 7 down. Times, what place is that 7? It's in the tenths place. So times 1/10. Plus, our next number is 4. 4 times, what place is that 4 in? You're going to multiply it by what place it is and continue it on with the 3. Next one, order from least to greatest. I'm going to set them up. 0.68, 0.87, and 0.63. And you're going to look down. We have 6, 8, and 6. We know 8 is larger, but 6 and 6 are the same numbers. So we have to go over. We have an 8 and 3. The 3 is smaller than 8, so our smallest number is 0.63. Go ahead and cross it out. Now you need to compare these two. What is the next smallest number? You're going to write that there, and then the largest number will come last. Orders of operation. PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So we see parentheses in this. We see multiple parentheses. We are going to solve inside this parentheses first. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. And then we continue on. We still have parentheses, so we need to solve for that. 2 times 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. And now your job is to finish this off. 16 minus 9. Last one. Round to the nearest tenth, hundredth, and whole number. So our number is 3.962. First, we need to round to the nearest tenth. Underline the number in the tenths place. We do our L, but we need to box it in with another number. We have 96. 96 is in between 90 and 100. 96 is closer to 100, so that means we have to round it up, and it becomes 4. Now we need to round to the nearest hundredth. 3.962. Underlining the number in the hundredths place, tenths, hundredths. We box it in, and we have the number 62. 62 is in between 60 and 70. What is it closer to? It is closer to 60. So rounding to the nearest hundred, that becomes 3.96. Now go ahead and solve for this one. 3.962. You're going to round this to the nearest whole number. So that means, is it closer to 3 or is it closer to 4?